Welcome to this tutorial on the AutomationEdge Surface Plugin, focusing on the Surface Action's Write Text action. We'll walk you through configuring and executing a write text automation workflow. The write text action writes text to a target region or at the cursor position of the active screen. In the initial setup, open AutomationEdge Process Studio, open an existing workflow, or create a new one. You can create a workflow directly using Surface Spy or manually. I have created a blank workflow Surface Actions Write Text. I will now add workflow steps manually. From the Design Navigator, drag and drop the Surface Actions step and a Start step and connect them to create a workflow. Double-click or edit to open the Surface Actions step for configurations. Enter a descriptive step name. Select a template match pattern. Optionally set template image index to select image in case of multiple image retrieval. Leave retry count at default. OCR provider is relevant for the read text action. We can skip it. Next, let's add a template image. Ensure your target application area for Surface Automation region is fully visible on screen. When Surface Spy opens, click Capture Image. Use the crosshair to select the desired target region. For now, you may leave the default configurations on the right panel. Click OK. Close Surface Spy. In the Actions sections, we will add 7 different write action types, demonstrating its versatility. In Actions field, click first row under Actions column. Select Write Text from the Actions list. In the Value field, enter desired input text to write for Surface Automation. Leave the checkbox unchecked to accept the value from a field in the previous steps of the stream using a drop-down list. It thus supports dynamic value selection. Else, uncheck it to provide the text to perform the write text operation. It supports clipboard integration and provides value encryption. Select Yes or No for Verify Entered Text. It checks text accuracy and fails if text doesn't match exactly. If you select Yes, then it verifies if the input text is correctly inserted or not at runtime. If the inserted text is different than that given in the Value field, it throws an exception. Here are some tips for design and execution. The Surface Action step must have the system clipboard access to perform verification. It cannot read masked fields like password, hence cannot perform verification on them. Sometimes, due to incorrect image OCR data, it does not match with the given data in the Value field. The first two options are Append, Style Copy, and Append Style Type. They append new text to the end of the existing content, preserve original text, and extend the current field value. Style Type types the given text character by character, and Style Copy inserts the given text in one go. The next two options are Insert at Start Style Copy and Insert at Start Style Type. They insert text at the start of existing text at the beginning. They shift the original text to the right. The next two options are Replace Style Copy and Replace Style Type. They replace the existing text with new text. They completely overwrite existing text by removing previous content and inserting entirely new text. In the Value field, I will enter Automation. Select Yes or No to choose between template-based or cursor-based text entry. If template-based is yes, the write action targets a specific image region with precise text location to write by matching the selected area on the template image. If template-based is no, then for cursor-based, it uses the current mouse cursor position to write text and requires active screen visibility. In Use Anchor Image, select Yes. Here are some tips for design and execution. To perform template-based action with the option as No, the Surface Action step must have clipboard access of the system. If field types are non-editable, read-only, disabled, or masked, then it is recommended to use template-based action as Yes instead of No. To select Anchor and Target Image Bounds, click Select Image Bounds Style Copy. The first write text action is to replace text in the text box with automation. Select Anchor and Target Bounds. View the captured image bounds or coordinates. Click OK. Configure the other settings. Set Wait for time for any delays. Configure Match Pattern for Anchor and Target Bounds or regions. Set Match Index if multiple matches exist. Add descriptive action information. Optionally, click the first column for row 1 action to preview the relationship between anchor and text area. Click on the second row for the next action. Enter the value edge. Configure the write text action. The action is to append with Style Copy. Select the Anchor and Target Image Bounds. Select the Anchor and Target Image Bounds. Let's create a duplicate of the second row. Right-click and select Copy Selected Lines to Clipboard. Next, click Paste Clipboard to Table. Click on the third row for the next Write Text action. Configure the action. Enter the value Welcome to. The action type is Insert at Start Style Copy. Select the anchor and target image bounds. Click OK. Click on the fourth row for the next Write Text action. Configure the action. Enter the value Morning. The action type is Replace Style Type. Select the anchor and target image bounds. Let's create two duplicate rows. Right-click the fourth row and select Copy Selected Lines to Clipboard. Next, click Paste Clipboard to Table twice to create the fifth and sixth rows. Click on the fifth row for the next Write Text action. Configure the action. Enter the value Good. The action type is Insert at Start Style Type. Select the anchor and target image bounds. Click on the sixth row for the next Write Text action. Configure the action. Enter the value Everyone. The action type is Append Style Type. Select the anchor and target image bounds. Let's rectify the field information for some actions. Click on the seventh row for the next Write Text action. Configure the action. Enter the value. Hope you have an exciting career at AutomationEdge. The action type is Append Style Type. In template-based actions, select No, denoting it will write text at the cursor. Select the anchor and target image bounds. Set a suitable wait time as per system performance. Set 5 seconds for the first action. As a pre-execution check, ensure your automation target area is completely visible. Adjust your window if any part is hidden. Hidden elements can cause automation failures. Execute the workflow. Watch and wait as Surface Actions replaces text in text box with automation, appends edge, inserts at start, welcome to, replaces text in multi-line text box with morning, inserts at start, good, and appends everyone. Watch as the workflow completes. Streamline your surface automation and AI in automation with AutomationEdge.